With an unrivaled opportunity, perfectly positioned against the iconic backdrop of the uninterrupted rainforest pockets within the Noosa hinterland. Ensconced in a private, peaceful paradise, I welcome you to our beautiful 6-acre property here at 18 Gympie Kin Kin Road. With a location that falls central between Noosa Heads and Pomona, and within walking distance to the Black Ant Gourmet Restaurant, Farmers Market, local Kin Kin Pub, and only minutes to the local primary school. A beautiful high-set home offering a favourable layout that features 4 sizable bedrooms with the master allowing separation for complete privacy. The open-plan kitchen is partnered with stone bench tops, soft close cabinetry, and gas cooking. The property is powered with 22 solar panels and a 6.6 kilowatt inverter, completed with an undercover alfresco area that overlooks the idyllic property surrounded with pure bliss. The property also features a separate studio, open-plan living throughout with an additional separate bathroom and toilet. Wrapped with undercover alfresco area makes the area an entertainer's delight. The property boasts sustainable living and with endless opportunity to enhance farming, as the property has 1.2 metres of moderate structure clay loam, which is brilliant for market gardening, and with a 30-metre shade house already established, leaves room for you to make a wide selection in harvesting choices. So if you're looking for a private residence that is going to captivate your heart and soul, then I look forward to seeing you at our first private inspection.